The Supreme Court has granted interim bail to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in connection with the excise policy case today. The Apex Court has asked Delhi CM to surrender on June 2. On Thursday, opposing Kejriwal's bail, Enforcement Directorate had filed an affidavit saying no principle justified giving preferential treatment to a politician for campaigning over a farmer or a businessman pursuing their livelihood, stating that the activity of every citizen is equally important to him or her. ED had said that granting interim bail merely for political campaigning would militate against and will be discriminatory to the rule of equality. However, questioning the probe agency's objection to the interim bail, legal team of Kejriwal lodged a formal complaint with the Supreme Court's registry and denounced ED's affidavit as a blatant disregard of legal procedures. In the objection, the AAP had stated that not a single rupee or piece of evidence has been recovered incriminating anybody from the party despite 2 years of investigation.